Let's take a look at this tub mixing valve and faucet setup that I got off Amazon. So the faucet itself is a waterfall type design. It does come with a hand shower head, and then you can see this is for a freestanding tub, so you gotta always look at your distance from there to make sure that you get over the edge of the tub. So we're pretty close to the wall on this. That wasn't really a concern for us. Now, mixing valve, you have your hot, cold, and then you have this adjustment. The only interesting thing is the printing on this shows a shower head and the hand shower, which obviously it's a tub faucet, so a little strange on that. Looking at the faucet itself, very good, decent water stream. Mixing valve works easy. And then we'll take a look at the hand sprayer. So open that up. We'll flick around to the hand spraying. So you have this mode that does sort of your regular one, and then there's also a spraying on the end. So biggest thing I would say is make sure you do not leave it on this and select it on your hand sprayer, because that will spray everywhere if you accidentally leave it that way. Overall pressure is really good, super easy to work with, and a nice modern look.